A voicemail drop is utilized to accelerate the process of leaving voicemail messages. The way it works is the system will make a phone call to the selected contact, and then it will immediately drop that call and initiate a second call in order to leave a message at that number. This is a situation that works approximately 70% of the time. It's a workaround or trick-like solution to expedite leaving voicemails because phone carriers don't generally like the concept. Again, this will work about 70% of the time, so there may be a time or two when it doesn't work. The first thing you'll need to do is create a voicemail recording. You can record your voicemail message using any program of your choice and be sure to save it to your computer as an MP3 or WAV file. Then navigate to the campaign section of your system. Click into an existing campaign or create a new campaign. Within the campaign, you'll need to add an event. Here we already have the event, so we can edit it, or you can click Add Event here. In the window that pops up, you'll need to drop the file or click to upload the file from your computer, and again make sure it is the appropriate file type. You can toggle on or off the custom time that will allow you to set specific conditions. Perhaps you only want the voicemail drop to go out Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You could set it like this. Be sure to save your changes. Once you've confirmed your changes, go ahead and navigate to the top section here and change the campaign from draft to published mode. Then you can start adding contacts to this campaign and the voicemail drops will work.